How to fix Snapchat AI. Something went wrong error. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the frustrating something went wrong error when trying to use Snapchat AI, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and effective solutions to fix this issue. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. This error can happen if Snapchat AI can't connect to the servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or resetting your network. Next, clear the Snapchat cache.
Here's how.
Open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. Go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and tap Clear Cache, then select Clear All. Another common fix is updating the Snapchat app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and make sure you have the latest version installed. If the issue persists, force stop the app and restart it. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps. Select Snapchat and tap Force Stop. On iPhones, swipe up and close the app from the multitasking screen. If none of these solutions work, the problem might be on Snapchat's end. Check websites like Down Detector to see if there are any server issues. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This will reset the app and can fix stubborn errors. Don't worry, your account data will be safe when you log back in. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the something went wrong error with Snapchat AI. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.